And moving to Australia, where the situation is not as pleasant. Well, amid an outsized rise in interest rates there and surging inflation, there's a measure of Australian consumer sentiment that has slid for 7th straight month to match pandemic lows in June. The Westpac Melbourne Institute Index of Consumer Sentiment released yesterday slumped 4.5% in June from May. It had dropped 5.6% then. Index was down 19.5% from June last year at 86.4, meaning pessimists far outnumbered optimists. The drop followed Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA's decision to raise interest rates by surprisingly large 50 basis points to 0.85%. It warned that more would be needed to restrain runaway inflation in the country. The increase in borrowing costs only adds to pressures from rising petrol prices, housing and food. It's also seen surveys or measure of family finances over next 12 months diving 7.6%. These finances, when compared with the year-ago period, also slid 7%, while measure of whether it was good time to buy a major household item was down 3.3% in Australia. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.